Don't do it, Dad. Don't do it. I'm hearing my son's voice in my head. Dad, don't ever spend diamonds to make a hoe. And I'm down here, still down here at that wheat farm that we were at yesterday. And you know what, son? I'm going to listen to that voice. And I'm just going to make a diamond one. I mean, a iron one instead of a diamond one. And, yeah, that'll work. All right. Cleaned it up, lit it up, put water underneath these slabs. And now, 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes out from the water source, four blocks each direction. Whoops. I didn't do this one right. You miscounted, Gray. You only put it 3 there. But there's 4 up here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that gets it to there. That's fair. And then I do have 4 on this side. So really, if you look at it, I had no choice. Even though I will admit that I did that one down there first. My bad. Did I do 4 over here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I did. Now I don't know if these will reach all the way up here, but I think it goes in a square. And I did a pathway of stone around, and we used the chest, the copper chest that we had, to store our goods. And I don't know that this is enough seeds, but this is the seeds I got from coming down here. And there will be a farmer down here. Like I mentioned, I got a mod in that allows me to put villagers in a bucket, and I'm going to transfer them to Safe Haven. But I am going to put a farmer down here to tend to this farm. I might use the create mod to build something in terms of a automated harvester. Okay, why is that not working? Because I'm lagging? Okay. And that's all I've got seeds for. So, but we do got it planted. Let's go up and finish getting our stuff out of here. And we were smelting up the iron that we found. I got some more stone cooked. We'll take the coal out of here because there's no reason. Oh, one's coal and one's charcoal, I guess. All right. Well, in light of that, we'll leave it. But we never did take a tour of the mine building. And like I said, we're going to use this to, hey, look at there. There's the dirt I was talking about. Right there. These walls are a pain because you can't get over them, but they need to be so you can't get over them, because we don't want our villagers leaving out. But anyway, we come in here. Like I said, I'm going to dig this all the way out down here, put walls on this so they can't walk in and out. But we come in here And don't know exactly what this is supposed to be in here, but it's in here. We got some hay and stuff, and then you come out, and again I'm using dirt here to scale the wall, or the fence I mean, and then we can come up this stair step here into the house, and we got a furnace, some tools, a bunk bed with ladders to get up on the bed. That's cool. And then some gates and emerald. There's that emerald. I don't see the emerald block, but it's probably underground somewhere. There's the emerald on our crafting bench. Here's the iron block that is part of the counterweight to the crane that is bringing ores up from down below. Okay, very good. I don't know if they can jump across that or not. We'll have to figure that out. But I really need to get ready to shoot this other schematic. And I was going to do that off screen, get everything ready. So if you will give me a minute to pause the video, I'm going to use this to take me up to the build site. And pull the schematic. I already got the schematic, okay. Sort through this and see what exactly it is that we need. Okay, I think we're ready to use the cannon to place the blacksmith. Okay, I'm missing some stone slabs. I'm not going to use the poppy. I'm not going to use the dark oak. I'm not going to use the grass. And I'm not going to use the acacia. So the only thing I need is the stone brick slab. 3 of them, huh? Okay. Well, I got the stone, so I make stone brick. And then I make some slabby jabbas. And how many did I need? Not that many, I know. I think I only needed 3. Yeah, 3. Okay. And we got everything else. Some of this I did summon in, but as much as I could, I made. So let's put this in here, sort it out, and let her rip. Do it. We're gonna skip missing. Yep. At least it's going on the surface right away. That's good. Here, let me get up where I can see it a little bit better. I'll stand up on top of here. Oh, that's right. We're coming in tight against the platform here. If you don't mind, I'm going to go into creative mode so that I can fly up and see what's going on. Okay, we've already placed some obsidian, which makes sense. It's a blacksmith, right? And the idea here, of course, was that we wanted it as close back here to the source of lava as need be. Second block of obsidian going down. There was only 2 in the schematic. Oh, the entrances looks like it's going to be on this side, which is fine. the safe haven is expanding. And like I said, tomorrow we're going to go and get some villagers in a bucket. And I think I still have a bucket. Yeah, I put all my stuff in that other copper chest. Here, let's get rid of my hand again so you guys can see the full progress. Remember, the yellow wall is just placeholders for the schematic to be drawn. You have to take a point opposite of each other, the low point over there and the high point on this stack of yellow up here on the front left. So that's what that's all about. The grindstone going in. Furnace or forges going in with some furnaces or campfires. I mean, I think that's supposed to be the furnace. Some anvils. Nice. It actually called for 2 anvils in the schematic, 1 regular anvil and 1 damaged anvil. So we'll have to repair it. Oh, here's the other anvil out front. I see. Okay, there's going to be another area, front porch area maybe. There's going to be a chimney above the forge there. I like how they put iron bars in front of the windows. To protect. Makes sense. I mentioned yesterday how much I like the schematics canon. I've got some other schematics in my folder now for iron farms and all kinds of things like that, but I don't want to use those yet. I want to wait till we finish getting the village fully built out and populated. And we will be bringing, like I said, we will be going to look for villagers tomorrow. And the hope is that I can bring at least 2 minimum so that we can do some breeding and get some more villagers in here. But I'm going to take as many buckets as I can with me and grab as many as I can. And we should have some armorers and some weaponsmiths that can use the tools, the grindstone and stuff in here and stuff like that. Let me move around. Oh, I see, that's like a statue. Okay, I was wondering what those observers were for. See that guy standing down there? Let's go down and say hi. Hey, Scooter. What's going on? So he's got the face on the front and the one wheel. Oh, that's where the other anvil is. Is that the damaged one? No, that's the regular one. He got the good one. So the one that's in here is the one that's damaged. Yep. Oh, I see what they did. They put the anvil and the grindstone on top of the obsidian. And you got your furnaces here. Okay. I'll give you a little bit of tour while the roof is going on here. I like it. Are they going to have something down here? What's going on over here? We got scaffolding in there. I know that. What's this supposed to be? Some decoration, maybe? Well, that's where I have to put lava in there. That's for a regular, like, blacksmith shop. You know how a blacksmith shop has the lava in here and the two furnaces? So this is an advanced one from one of the mods I put in, and I just made a copy of it from another village. But yeah, this should be covered out front here. And I think this is where they're going to put a chimney above the forge area, I'm thinking. Okay, maybe not. No, it's still shooting. Okay. I was going to say I thought he was done, but no. There's more. I don't think there's a way to get up here. Well, there's some stairs, so maybe there is. Oh yeah, okay, so there's the second floor. And it looks like they're using the scaffolding for table. Yeah. Okay. I like how they did the chairs with the, I never thought to put the thing on the side, on the back of it like that. All right. So are they going to double up this whole side over here? Apparently so. Okay. I can get behind that project. Let's raise up a little bit. Okay, so are they're putting a chimney over that one where the lava below is. Okay. Putting in some windows, nice. Oh, there is stairs coming up. I didn't think there was, but okay. Stairs and then the 4 oak logs for the landings. Okay. And get behind that. And again, they're protecting the windows with the shutters, or the gates. There. Okay. Pretty cool. All right. Looks like we're going to be finished. Oh, it is bringing a chimney all the way up from the section down there. Fencing off the roof. Looking good. And we'll finish it up. Boy, I really put it up against the platform there, didn't I? That's all right. It looks good. Let me move back so we can get a full panorama. Move that hand out the way, Gray. There we go. Full panorama. I'll let it finish. We've got about 30 seconds left. But we'll let it finish, and then I'll do some edit magic. Let me see if I can get over here, maybe this angle, so we can see the woodland mansion. Let's back up a little bit. There we go. Come around that way a little bit, and now we can see the whole panoramic view of the mined building, the blacksmith building, the woodland mansion with the GG windmill, and in the far corner on the left side of the screen you can see the church, all part of Safe Haven. looking real good. Of course, I'm going to tear this down and get rid of all the resources that I didn't use. We'll do a tour tomorrow of the blacksmith. And like I said, I got to get buckets of lava. I won't pull them out of my pits over here because my pits look good and I don't want to mess up the thing. You know how when you pull iron or pull lava out of a thing, it messes it up, so I don't want to do that. There we go. Now, is it going to put a smokestack on the top, or they just indicated it that it went through? Okay, they're going to put one. Looks like they're going to put one. Yeah, they are putting a smokestack in the middle with a campfire. There it is. Okay, surround that. Okay, that makes sense. That's why the tower of it's adding all the few extra little bits in now, finishing it up, buttons and stuff, I'm sure is what that's doing. But yeah, while that's finishing up, let's go ahead and we'll do the same thing. Come up here and get on top of this stack of wool and go out of creative mode. I really like the fact that I can toggle that like that. Give me my hand back. Yeah. And we'll tear this down, and I will say thank you guys for stopping by and checking me out. I do appreciate it. Put a like on the video if you would. Leave a comment if you have an idea or suggestion. If you would consider subscribing if you haven't already. If you have, thank you. I do appreciate it very much. And like I said, tomorrow we're gonna go and look for villagers. So that'll take care of that. Take care. We'll see you again tomorrow.